Good morning. Today we are the team InfraDefenders who are basically going to work on the project for the hackathon, Sandbox hackathon, and this project is basically based on AI Copilot, which is used to detect anomalies by training them by using a required data sets. And as we know, ICSOT is a security risk which most of them are not aware of, and that is what we are trying to solve here. And one of the reasons why we have used AI Copilot as an ICSOT, like to detect the anomalies, is because when we use a human as a administrator to find the anomalies in the system, the humans are bound to make mistakes, and if it is a legitimate mistake, then there is no fault. But if the mistake is done where and the malicious IP address is not seen or is not detected, then the adversary is already into the network, and when the adversary is into the network, the adversary can have malicious intents which can be used against the country which has the ICS infrastructure. And here is the dashboard. This dashboard is basically the dashboard which is used to monitor the system, monitor the victim's system. That is basically, right now we have used the hospital system which is currently being monitored, and the graph is basically the telemetry data of the system of the hospital server. And this is the victim node, where you can see the victim node server is turned on, and we can see all the other IoT fleets which are connected to this server and the telemetry data of that server. And this is the attacker node is basically used to find out used to pen test the victims node for in this case. And there are different types of attacks over here, consisting of SQL injection, cross-site scripting, brute force, network flood, and port scan. And we can even add more other sectors, like for example healthcare, agriculture, and urban. Since we are concentrating on ICSOT, we'll be adding only healthcare. And the device which we want to attack, device ID over here, IoT target which we are trying to attack, and test connection. Fleet mode is like to attack everything. And let us say I want to do an SQL injection in this. We can see that there is a alert produced here, and this alert is basically indicating that there is an attack that has been undergone in the hospital server. And when we click on the alert, we can see what query is being detected by the AI module, which is being trained to find the adversaries attacks, like SQL attacks or all the previous attacks which I told. And there is an AI explanation, the summary, which tells what kind of attack has been done and what kind of code has been used. And the reason why we are using AI instead of a human is because instead of human or on a role based detection, because in a role based detection it will directly detect only the components which are there in roles. But in AI we train the model, and the model can be used to think or analyze the attacks or every package which is done in each attacks. So yeah, this is the problem which we tried to solve it over here. Thank you.